Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green.
Coming up for you today, we have two skin removals for you. First one's mine, second one's Taylor. So you can see this one is deep, right against the eardrum. This is the standard size ulnar tube in here. Now you're always a little bit, it's always a call as to whether you go for the bigger tube or the smaller tube. Yeah. I think when it's completely blocked up like that, the bigger tube is, I find, just gets it out a lot easier, doesn't it? But you can see how all the skin is peeling away there. And then we just got this little lumpy bit just in the recess there. So we're just going to grab that.
Right round the corner.
Yeah. This is the fine end on here. So we're going to lift this out this corner. I'm hoping this is all going to come out as one piece. Ooh, there we go. Out that comes. Look at that bad boy.
It's more than what it actually looks when you...
It is.
In those little areas. It looks like a tiny piece, but sometimes it's just...
They're huge, aren't they? Some of them come out. They're absolutely huge. There we go. Looking a lot healthier there. So we had an inch. Do you see how I made it easier for myself with the inches on the bottom?
Just over 2.5 centimetres, I'd say that one.
that was somebody in the comments said, why didn't you just put the inches on the bottom? It'd be easier to read. I was like, do you know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it harder for Taylor.
They're not too bad, to be fair. Same patient? No, that's not the same.
No, this is yours.
Oh, this is me again.
Yeah, this is yours. Okay. No, first one was me. This is you.
I don't know why I said me again. I haven't even been on yet. Oh gosh, this is our first one back for a little while. Sorry for the delay in videos. It's nice to see you all again.
It is. Yeah, we were upgrading the patient management system, and as much as the new system is lovely, oh my word, it's been a bit of a headache and it's just long days. We just managed to get a lot done, but we're back to it. I'm not going to talk over this because you carry on.
You can if you want. I think it's a bit of a longer one, this one. So very similar in this patient's case here, but just dry, very dry. You can already kind of see the eardrum from here. There's no blockage as such here, but I thought, we'll just give it a little bit of a clear anyway, just to tidy it up a little bit. And I kind of wish I didn't.
While I edited this, I was thinking, I bet you weren't expecting that kid to do that.
No. So this is basically all we've got is this very thin, dry layer of like dead skin, and it's bone dry. No oil or anything's gone into here.
It looks like tracing paper. Remember tracing paper?
Yeah. And they never come away nicely, these ones either. They never just come away in one go. I mean, you can put oil in to make it easier to take take it away, but then again, what you kind of risk with using the oil is it will, temporarily make the patient feel a little bit more blocked up, because that oil will just rest right over the front of the eardrum, and you can suction it away. But
that is all
literally going almost the whole length of the ear canal. And here we go. So I've had no choice but to use a bit of oil. I had to say to the patient, look, I do apologise. I'm going to have to use oil because this is just. It's not coming away.
It just makes it a little bit more soft, doesn't it, sometimes?
Yeah, and you tend to find the reason it becomes easier with this really dry skin is because if you get plenty of oil in there, you can kind of see as you're starting to peel that dry skin off the ear canal, the oil kind of runs with it, and it just makes it easier to slip away. And there we go. You can see it's all coming away quite nicely. So
it does come away a little bit nicer with a bit of oil into it, doesn't it?
Yeah. So we're almost done. A patient actually wasn't really having any issues with the hearing. The main reason they came in was because of itching. There was a lot of itching in the ear. I can't remember if this was both ears, but
I think it is.
Yeah, patient was getting a lot of itching, so I thought, look, there's a little bit of dry skin in there. We'll take that one away. Again, similar story on this side. It's not completely blocked up. You can see the eardrum in the distance there. Sorry guys, my voice is breaking up already today. But yeah, very dry again on this one.
Yeah, it's not. It's always. The thing is with the reason it itches is because let me put my tea down because I like to talk to my hand. So basically, the reason it itches when you got a dry layer of skin, as your jaw moves, the dry layer passes over the fresher layer underneath, and that's what causes our itching sensations. Your body's way trying to get you to get in there and scratch that surface layer out.
And little pieces like this that are just kind of hanging in the middle of the ear canal.
That's thick as well. This is like proper keratin. It's where the skin goes almost like leathery, doesn't it? Yeah.
It gets solid in some cases, and it's absolutely solid in some patients' ear canals. Yeah, same sort of process here. I'm just trying to peel it gently, trying to get a little bit of a lift, because if I have to use oil in this one as well, you know, it's definitely worth trying to get a little bit of a peel going, so at least you can get that oil underneath it then. So again, it just kind of usually slides out a lot easier.
You can see the difference there, how hard you have to work that skin before you put the oil in. Now with the oil in there, it does seem to be just sort of loosening a little bit. You've got a good bunch there as well,
yeah. Trying to hold it together. You can see I have got that grip because it's so dry. It's not bundling any more of that skin in. We had a bit of clarinetting there, which is why I've swapped to a fine end here, just to try and get this.
It's tough, isn't it?
A slightly better grip on that smaller piece that was on the edge.
You can use manual tools with it, can't you? But it's difficult sometimes to get behind it and pull it.
Yeah, you can see it's wanting to come.
It's
bit of turbo wiggling. We haven't seen that in a little while.
No, it's true. It's come on. Is that detached at the bottom? I don't think it has, is it?
No, I think it's still peeling. I think it's still going.
Oh, it is, yeah. Whoa.
The patient actually did say afterwards the ears felt nicer, not so how do I put it? Not blocked up, but because this like kind of dry layer of skin was around the ear canal, they could almost feel the air not getting into the ear.
It's almost like an altered sensation, isn't it? Because it's as soon as if you've ever had sort of dry skin or something that's come off, and you know, it's a bit like somebody put a really good comment. Remember when you used to have that glue when you're in primary school? You'd have a glue on your hands, you'd peel it. It's kind of that sensation. A lot of people really enjoy it.
Oh, I've got a set of forceps, and you know, we had no other option but to go for the big guns. And yes, this is the risk with it. It's because it's still attached at certain portions of the ear canal. You always risk it like breaking little bits away. But
that was a nice bit.
I should have held that. So again, I'm still trying to master the remembering holding the.
I'm gonna make Taylor do the thumbnails, and he can sort it out.
I can sort it. And there we go.
Nice.
So yeah, doesn't look like hardly anything, to be fair.
So we got 3/4 of an inch.
2 centimeters. 2 centimeters.
Well, guys, thanks for watching that video again today. If you did enjoy the videos, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. If you really, really enjoy the videos, you could also consider becoming members as well. That way, then you get even more videos every single week. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Myself and lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.